Hello, my friend. What's going on? This is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle. I want to welcome you to today's video. And of course, in this video, we are going to be discussing Forex trading risk and money management calculator. Okay, Forex trading risk and money management calculator. How do you calculate your position sizing? Talking about the lot size. How do you know, okay, how many pips you are risking? How do you know how many lot size you should be trading, when it comes to the Forex market? Those that know me know that most of my trading style do not use stop loss. But then within the past few weeks, I decided to explore some of these prop firms. And of course, if you want to know, most of all these prop firms, we're talking about my Forex funds, and of course the funding talent. You will see the link to join them right at the description of this video. So I discovered that this prop firm, they don't joke, they don't play at all, which forces me to start using very tight, okay, risk and money management for my trading. And if you are watching this video right now, I believe at the end of this video you will send me a text message or you will leave a comment and say, wow, thank you, the Forex Apostle, for this video. Because not that I'm going to be showing you only, okay, about this money management calculator, I'm also going to be giving you free access to the money management calculator that I'm using. And of course the credit goes to one of my disciples, Mr. Niyi. I believe he gave me the access to that calculator sometimes last 3 years. I never even used it since then, not until recent that I started exploring it. So I did not create it, I just adopted it and of course make it mine. So I'm going to be giving you access to it. However, you also know that we pick a winner every week. If you are one of the people that like my videos, leave your comment and share this video with your loved ones, especially on social media and WhatsApp. So for this week, we're going to be picking a winner, and the winner wins, of course, my coaching and mentoring program, 6 months coaching and mentoring program. I wish you best of luck, and I wish you will be that winner. So for next week, okay, I'm going to be announcing, okay, at the end of the video next week. So if you like this video, you share it with your friends, okay, and subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Then next week we're going to be picking a winner from those that leave their comment on this video, and the winner will be winning the VIP version. The VIP version of Tradermatic. The VIP version of Tradermatic, you know how much that cost. That is $497. We're talking about Tradermatic 3.0. Okay, so let's get to it. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Like this video. Come on, share. Press that share button. Yes, go ahead and share the button. Share this video. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. And let's get into it, discussing Forex trading risk and money management calculator. All right, so welcome back. So let's assume that you are one of my VIP students, one of my disciples, and of course, you know that we use this money management, this trade management tool right here. And how do we get that? You right click, you click on Expert Advisor, and of course, the properties is right here. So this is where we adjust this. So the formula that I've always used for my students is, okay, if you have a $1,000 account, okay, you shouldn't be risking, okay, more, of course, even all your trade, you shouldn't be risking more than 2%, okay, of your account. And trust me, when I say this, I've learned my lesson in a big way. I have 2 or 3 accounts now that I'm managing, that I'm just praying to God to help me. So because I did not use a stop loss, and of course I got, you know, trapped with especially GBP CAD that has been ranging for almost 2-3 months now. So for $1,000 account, usually if you are trading on a lower time frame, I do tell my student, okay, use 0.1 lot size, okay. And the reason why I've always used this is because it's very easy for people, you know, just memorize that, okay. So if your account is $10,000, then it therefore means that you could be trading, okay, you could be trading 1.0 lot size. And this formula works if you are trading on a lower time frame. And of course, with this, if you stick to it, it works great. Now, another way is this: when you are using this chart trader, you can just, okay, let's say you want to risk 2% of your account, you just type in 2.0 right there. If you already know your lot size, you put this 0.1, 1.0, depends on the leverage and depends on the size of your account. And if you want to trail your profit, you can set it also right there. Then the take profit and stop loss, let's assume that you already know it. So let's say, okay, I do my analysis and I'm going to be risking, let's say, okay, 40 pips. I just type the 40 right there. I don't need to, it means I don't need to use this particular risk, the stop loss risk percentage. Then if my take profit is going to be, okay, let's say I'm doing 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, so it means I will type in 40 also right there. Then I will press OK. I will place the trade. I know that I'm doing 1-to-1 risk to reward, of course, money management. So if I'm going to be using 1-to-2, this will be 80 pips, and I type 80 right there. So this is what we use with most of our tools. But then if you are not going to be using that, let me change this. So there is an Excel sheet that I'm going to be giving you access to at the end of this video, and I'm going to be telling you how to get it. So now, how do you calculate? How do you know how many lot size you should be trading? That is exactly what we are going to be discussing right now in this video. Remember, we are going to be picking the winner, okay, the winner of last week, and that will be, of course, the VIP version of FX Sniper. So you want to hang around, we are going to be picking the winner at the end of this video. So now let me show you now how we get that done. So now with this tool, once again, the credit goes to Niyi, one of my disciples. Thank you so much for creating this Excel sheet. So let's say your account is $1,000, and you place a trade, you do your analysis, you know, okay, you are going to be risking 50 pips. So you type in 50 right there. So this will tell you how many lot size you should be trading. That will be 0.06, provided that you are going to be trading just one trade. You are going to be placing one trade. So if you are going to be placing 3 trades, it therefore means that you will adjust this to 3. So this will tell you, okay, each trade that you place is going to be 0.02. Okay, so you are risking 3%. If I'm risking 2% right there also, so 2%, I'm risking 2% of my account. I have $1,000 in the account. The amount I'm risking is $20. And of course, the stop loss based on my analysis, let's say, okay, is 50. That will tell me, okay, amount per pip right here is 40 cents. And how many trades am I placing? 3. Then the lot size will be 0.01. So let's say, okay, you are placing just only 1 trade. So it's going to be 0.04 if the stop loss is 50. So now let's assume that you are trading, you're a swing trader, and you are placing a trade on a daily chart. On daily chart, if you measure the trade you are doing, the pips you are risking might be almost 250 pips. Okay, so if you have a $1,000 in your account, definitely this whole thing changes. So let's say, okay, you have $1,000, you are risking almost 250 pips. if you are a swing trader, that is, you are trading on the, let's say, daily chart, or you are trading on a 4 hours chart. So this changes the whole thing. So it therefore means that you are still risking 2% of your account. The amount you are risking right now will now be $20. The pips, okay, value of that you are risking is 250. So this will now be 8 cents per pip. So the lot size you should be trading on this kind of account will be 0.01. Now, if you are trading with most of all these prop firms, you will discover that most of them do not allow you to lose more than 5%, okay, of your starting capital daily. So let's say, okay, you have an account of 50,000 and I want to risk for a particular trade, I want to risk 2%. So it therefore means that my stop loss should not be more than $1,000. So even if you lose that trade, you still have $49,000 in the account. Okay, so it therefore means that the total value of pips will be $4 per pip. So if I'm placing one trade, that will be one lot. That will be one trade. So the lot size that I will be trading will be 0.4. And somebody say, what? 0.4 for $50,000? Yes, because of the number of pips that you are risking. Now, if you do your analysis, and maybe you did the analysis, you are trading on 5 minutes, you are trading on 15 minutes, and of course, you are risking, let's say, 50 pips per trade. Then, for $50,000 account, you can be risking, of course, you will be risking you will be trading 2.0 lot size. Is this making sense to you? So if this makes sense to you, make sure you leave a comment below this video and say yes, 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 yes. Thank you, Apostle. This is very, very valuable. I started using this myself. Let me show you a trade right now that is going on. Right now, as you can see, with this trade, I have 0 JPY. The account is $50,000, okay? But the number of pips that I'm risking is, is not, it's a little bit much. So for this $50,000 account, the lot size I place is 1.92. So that is why I can place this trade. I can do any other thing I'm doing, and I don't really care, because now, right now, this is how it is. So what I'm risking, let's see, like right now, this is what I'm risking. If you look at it, so the risk on this account is $928. And if the trade goes to term, the profit will be what? $1,840. So this is 1 to 2 risk to reward money management. I hope this makes sense to you. So that is how you calculate it. And of course, you might be wondering, so how do you get this calculator? So if you're one of our students, you definitely get access to this at the members area, or I will post it to the WhatsApp group. And if you just stumble on this video, and of course, I will still give you access to it. All you have to do is look at the description of this video. The link will be there to download this risk and money management calculator. I hope this makes sense to you. I hope you got some value from this video. So it's very, very, very important, especially even if you are not trading for prop firms. Even if you are managing other people's account, or you are managing your account, it is very, very necessary that you stick to your rules. Okay, you stick to your rules, and it will really, really, really help you. Okay, my friend, so let's go ahead and pick the winner for the VIP version of FX Sniper. Remember, for next week, if you like this video, leave your comment, and of course share this video with your loved ones on social media. Next week, the winner will be winning the VIP version of Tradermatic. So I hope that will be you. Okay, so drum roll, let's go and pick the winner for this week. All right, so this is the video that was created last week, and right now we have how many comments? 28 comments. So I'm going to be copying the link, as you can see. So we copy the link, and I'm going to go to our random selector. I'm going to paste it right here. So and I'm going to filter out the duplicate. So let's see how many comments unique we have. So we have 21 unique comments. So drum roll, let's pick the winner for the you know, the VIP version of FX Sniper. Let's go. Let's see who have that. Wow, Shola Sofade, congratulations, you are the winner. You know how to claim your gift. All you have to do is get in touch with me, either on WhatsApp or send me an email, and of course the VIP version of FX Sniper is yours. And of course, for you to partake to win, all you have to do is what? Show us some love, like this video, okay, share this video with your friend, and of course leave your comment below, and next week you could be the winner. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you in our next video.